So, papasok kami dito kasi hindi niya pinipigilan talaga ang smart. Here, Meta, here.
There's the pink one.
No, white.
No, the pink lenses.
Oh, yeah. Pamela, here is it.
Is that the pink one?
Yes. Yan.
This one?
Yeah. Yung ano niya. Ito kasi yung yung smart glass na merong camera, merong speaker. Yan. Kaya yung dalawa, namimili talaga sila.
Pero grayish.
Saan yung gusto mo? Ayan? Do you like shiny?
I like this one. That's not pink.
Which one?